what's better for a beginner, hip hop or jazz? I think that depends on what you're trying to do. I like both. Just do both. They both serve their own purposes. I think I still believe it to this day that traditional classes help. They don't exactly. It's not required, but dancers I've met who have had a strong traditional background have transitioned to do more hip hop, become one of the most beastliest hip hop dancers that I've ever met. And that's not to say that people who people who I know who've only just done hip hop all their lives, that doesn't mean that they're beast as well. It's just there's a certain movement quality that I personally admire that come from people who have been traditionally trained, or classically trained.